Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. First up, we have this beautiful bob haircut transformation. This is one of my favorite hairstylists to check out for bob inspiration. He does absolutely amazing haircuts. Gorgeous. Love this inverted bob style that he did on the client. She looks amazing. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, feel free to check out the stylists listed throughout the video, hit that like button, and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have this pixie makeover. Beautiful. Love the bangs that the stylist did for this particular pixie cut. And I love how she has her natural grays mixed in with the color. Beautiful. Here we see another long to short transformation. Another beautiful bob haircut. Absolutely gorgeous. Longer hair in the front, shorter in the back, and of course some texture added. And then we not only see a bob haircut, but beautiful coloring added with a contrasting hair color trend. Love this look. Bottleneck style bangs, pop of blonde. Gorgeous. Wow, what an amazing pixie makeover. Beautiful blonde coloring. She looks like 10 years younger. She looks amazing. Love the choppy texture the stylist created. And then we see a gorgeous lob with the undercolor trend. This is a very subtle color that the stylist did. And then another beautiful lob haircut. Followed by this beautiful classic pixie cut. And then the stunning tousled bob. Beautiful color work as well. Gorgeous. So definitely check out this stylist if you want to see more of his work. And of course, check out this video next for more hair inspiration.